Hello everyone, so this is this August Sketchbox, which is really late because I have been away. But I thought I'd just open it for those of you who haven't seen it yet and show you what's inside for this month. I don't know if I will be able to pop on some footage of a creation or not, but we'll see. So let's see what we have here. First of all, this is the menu with all the different items in the box for this month. And it looks like we have a lovely piece of artwork here. Looks like some hand lettering. This is by Lois Sparks. I'm going to set that out of frame there. And I usually like to start with the substrate here. We have a Van Gogh watercolor paper that is in black. And it's 360 grams per meter squared, 130 pounds, 4 by 6. So I'm going to pull a sheet off there. This is that, and it's made for Sketchbox, as you can see. And I like to do my swatching right on this. Now, this is not new to me, the Marabou Graphics Aqua ink. However, I've never had this color, copper. So that looks interesting. And then it looks like we have 3 Marabou Sketchbox Shimmer Art Crayons. I've used Marabou art crayons before, a thicker one than this, and I haven't loved them. The opacity is a little bit less than maybe what I would have liked in using them. I'm comparing them to my experience with Faber-Castell gelatos, and I think that I prefer the gelato, but we'll see what these are like, since this is different than what I've had, and it's a shimmer crayon, which I haven't used that before. I'm opening now the, excuse me, the round brush, and you can see the sticker here. Actually, let me just show the sticker. That is super shiny. I'm not sure if that's showing up, and I think it says Sketchbox, but it's like SKE, you know, so, and it's kind of cubist. Pretty cool. I love the stickers. I mean, that's just a nice little fluff item. Here we have a Sketchbox Signature Round 4 with the tip protected. Really sure if that's focusing. I'm going to get the sizing off with my little bit of water here. And why don't we go, and since we have the paintbrush here, we'll open up this Marabou Aqua Graphics Metallic Ink in Copper. Lovely shimmer there. I'm gonna move the bottle a little bit further away from my accident-prone hands and just dip right into the cap here, as you can see. So we'll just go right on here. Ooh! Yes, it is beautifully opaque on this black watercolor paper. A lot of shimmer. Not sure how much of the shimmer is showing up on the camera, but this is the Marabou. I'm well, obviously not doing so well there. I'm going to put my A's there. Marabou. And we'll just call it the Aqua ink because the other two are Marabou also. Oops. Yeah, not so great at that. And you can see that when you have less of the concentration, it's a little less opaque, more just shimmer there. And we can pull it out with water as well. So get a nice gradient, but if you put a lot of the color on straight away, it's pretty opaque there. But yes, I had it very thick there. Now let me cap this before I knock it over, because I have been known to do that. I see, just out of frame here, I have 2 shimmery pans of something. It is Fine Tech Metallic Watercolor Pans in Golden Rose and Blue Silver. Now it says these premium watercolors offer dense metallic pigment. Use them to create opaque details or dilute them with water to create subtle shimmering washes. And figuring out how to open it. Oh. Kind of looks like it's meant to go in something, which I am not familiar with these at all, so I don't know where that would snap in. On the back here it says, it looks like they're from Germany. There we go. And what does that say? It says pearlescent colors, high quality, made in Germany. So this is kind of exciting. I love how there's a little bit of ridge detail in there. I mean, I don't know if that just happens in the natural settling or if that is intentional, but it's a nice look rather than just flat there. So I am pulling up some of the blue silver here. And yes, we get lots of lovely shimmer. Now, because it's not already liquid, I didn't get as much on there with my first stroke. Let me see if I can get more onto my brush. Oops, it's not quite wet enough, huh? Let's get some more water. Ah, yes, it does do very well there. And please excuse my throat. While I was away on vacation, I did, in fact, catch COVID, and that was weeks ago, but this mucus in my throat is lasting, and really, I hope it goes away soon. I'm going to try lots of tea, see if that helps, but yeah, it makes me sound a little funny, so I don't know if you can tell that. And it makes me want to clear my throat all the time. So I'm going to try very hard not to do that because I personally find that annoying and I don't really want to annoy anyone. So there we go. This is the Fine Tech. I'm just going to call it Fine Tech. That way you don't have to sit there and watch me label things forever. Those are pretty neat. Although, you know, I have to say, what color is this? Golden Rose does not look a whole lot different to me than the Marabou Copper, so I kind of find that a little disappointing. I don't know if they realize that those are so similar or not, but yeah. Okay, then we have a Sakura Gold Jelly Roll Pen. I have used Jelly Roll Pens. They tend to get clogged because I don't use them enough. You know, you gotta use them like all the time. Or should I say daily, for them to not at all get clogged in my experience, but I do not have a gold one, so this is pretty neat. You can get some nice effects. Excuse me again. And then I'm going to open these. Through the magic of video, I have skipped all of that plastic removal. So this we have, do they have a color name on here? Yes, this is Shimmer Emerald. This here is Shimmer Raspberry, and I'm guessing, yes, Shimmer Copper. So, and, oh, this is not a cap, and here I was struggling. I thought it was double-ended. Yes, sadly I am disappointed in that, because that is the mechanism for expanding your color. Whoops. So let's just put a little down here on the Shimmer Emerald. Shimmer, whatever this one was, Raspberry, that's right, Raspberry. And straight onto the paper, it's got some lovely pigment. And then why in the world we have one more copper? Sure, whatever. I guess, but this one is lighter, yes. So maybe the idea was to give you a range of values. This one is quite a bit lighter. So yes, that achieves that. However, this one I just feel like it's not different enough to really achieve that. But, you know, hey, if I actually do go ahead and make something with this, then I will see whether you can get a medium value with maybe this one. I don't know. That is not my strength. I have never had any formal art training. Well, I did take one class in college, art in the 100 level, but yeah, we didn't do a whole lot. Didn't get too into values, etc. So, yeah, I mean, technically I'm a little bit lacking in there, but here we go. These are the colors pulled out a bit. And it's very nice. We have like a green, a pink, and a blue, which is a nice range, but then we have a whole heck of a lot of copper and then a gold. So that's it for the box. And I'm sorry it's so late, but I hope you enjoy seeing it. Better late than never. Probably soon here I'll be getting September's box, but I'm going to see if I can do something small with this and put it on at the end. Otherwise, I'm going to say goodbye right here, and I'll see you soon with some more art, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.